The Milwaukee Yoga Movement's mission is to provide yoga curriculum to all Milwaukee Public School students in order to cultivate compassion, concentration, and creativity into the lives of our children.
Well, yoga is it's fun, one. It's not just a whole bunch of boring people in a room saying, it's actually fun. You get to stretch, you practice your breathing. It's just good for the soul.
One of the girls came to practice very tired one day, and during the 40 minutes of yoga, literally transformed herself and left with the energy necessary for her to be successful throughout the rest of the day.
The most important thing is helping them learn how to deal with issues and stress and situations, and being able to take a deep breath and deal with it in a calm manner, or to be focused and centered.
It helps me because after a hard day of work, I can relax and be in tune with myself.
The students love practicing yoga to hip-hop music. When you combine hip-hop sound with yoga practice, it makes for a very powerful experience.
I think that having yoga in the school is very beneficial because it helps for children to find their gender and teach them how to honor their body in different ways.
My favorite thing is meditation, because you get to lay down and find your center and listen to your breathing.
It's very peaceful, and you can just do it about anywhere.
And the times that I've visited the classroom, I've been incredibly impressed with how focused and engaged the students are. I mean, they've really taken it seriously.
Yoga is a discipline that allows one to focus, to concentrate, and to go within one's own self and discover who they are. Yoga is a process. It is a science and an art form. It is a way of life. Teaching yoga is a passion for the yogis working with the Milwaukee Yoga Movement. We believe it is the most efficient and effective way to help our children realize their talents and develop the discipline necessary to pursue their dreams.